had a drink and been like, oh, that's warm? Have you ever had a drink and been like, wow, that's just not cold at all, and it could be colder? Well, now you can make your very own cold drinks with a few simple steps that don't involve crusty water. The first item we will be looking at is freezily chilled, ultra genetically modified, sparkling ice fake lemonade crap. Ice cream in this glass that's been sitting in a freezer for a million days. So what you want to do, you actually want to act quickly. So you just want to empty out all your ice, right, into the thing. You want to make sure that it's filled to the top. You can see literally to the brim. Oh my, that's ice everywhere. So yeah, it has to have ice to the brim, just like that. So you can see how much ice is in there. You have to do it quickly. And then you're going to want to take this, put it in, and it should be a maze. Oh god, I spilled it. And now, you now have the coolest drink in the world. Ah, crap. So just to see if it works, we'll have a professional drink taster, Owen Casey, in here to test it out. All right, I'm very excited for this. I've been waiting forever. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little sip. It's amazing. Thanks. Yeah. It's we try very hard. Yeah. So there you go. That is the ultimate drink. Goodbye. Or if you ever had a drink and been like,